Hey guys, welcome to day 7 of Mastering AutoCAD Electrical. Today we are taking it to next level by learning how to use the Polyline tool. It is a smart and powerful way to draw connected lines and arcs in one continuous object. So in this video we'll cover drawing polylines with both reruns and command line, key difference between polyline and lines, and adding width, arcs, and finding enclosed area using polyline. Let's dive in. First of all, to draw polyline using rerun method, you simply have to go to Home and Draw panel, where you will find the polyline tool. Simply click on it, and now specify the start point and specify the next point and click, and you can draw it continuously like this, like this, like this. If you are normal, you can simply press escape and exit. If you are talking about command line, the command to draw polyline is PL, and you type PL and press enter. Now you continue the process. This is the first point, or you can type your coordinate of the point, and then you can simply draw your polyline by clicking left continuously like this. You can press escape when you want to exit. Now, when you look at the figure and you remembered how you used to draw a line, you may say, what's the difference between line and polyline? Because we can draw this structure, this figure which we are seeing in the screen, by using line as well. Let's pick the line, and here we go. We are drawing line like this. Visually, let's escape. Visually, you aren't seeing any difference between the polyline and the line. But remember, when I taught you how to draw the line, I said these lines are individual. See, this line is individual, this line is individual, this line is individual. But polylines are not individual. They are single connected line. Here when you select one end, all the lines are selected because it is a single connected line. So it is easier to move around. Can include variable width, and polyline also support arc segment. So let's talk about arc segment, as you have known the difference between polyline and line. Simply remember, line is made of this line structure is made up of many connected individual line, but a polyline is single connected line. It is one object. A line is formed of multiple objects. A line is one object, but you form this by using multiple lines. But a polyline is a single object. Now you can include arcs in your polyline. Simply Ctrl A and do this. So let us draw a polyline like this. So if you want to include arc such that it was a line, and do this, select polyline. So this is a line. Now, and this is another line, straight line, as we are drawing for polyline. Now you want to include arc in your polyline. So for that, you simply can go to your command line here and select this arc, or simply type K and press enter. Now you have an arc to draw, or you can draw multiple arcs like this in your polyline. Now, if you want to jump to the line again, you simply have to type L, or go to your command line and type L. Now, I'll simply type L and press enter, and now I have returned to line, and my polyline is drawn like this. I want to exit, I can press escape. Now, you can control polyline width as well. So let me select this. Let me select this and move it. When you draw polyline, you have this specific width with every polyline you draw. Now you want to increase the width of the line. You can type W or select width as you are seeing your command line and press enter. Then you have to width. It's my starting width. I have to specify my starting width. Let my starting width be 2 and ending width be, let's say, 20 units. And press enter. Now, as I am drawing, my width has increased. So let me increase the width more as it is not visible. Let's say W and press enter. Let's say starting width be 10 and ending width be 200. Then if I draw like this, so why is then my width increasing? Is my width increasing or not? Polyline X1 like this. My width is increasing, but it's still not visible. Let me zoom in more, and you will see my width has increased. So if we want to return to your original width, you simply have to select Polyline, go to let's say I have to start point first, then I have to select W width, enter, and I have to select 0 like this and press enter. Now, sorry, skip. Polyline, this is fire width. So I have to specify W width. Let my width be starting width be 0 and ending width be 0. Here you go. My polyline width, the normal width is being drawn. So let me Ctrl A and select all this and type delete. Now let's say what you have got the use for polyline. One major use case or hack of polyline is you can find areas of building or irregular landscape. Say you need to find area when you want to put illumination in electrical engineering. So simply select polyline, and it's just where the start one. Let's say let's go to the original coordinate polyline, and I have to specify the start point like this. Let this be my one line. This be one line. Now I draw arc here, a RC arc. Now I get the arc like this. Then let me jump back to L. Enter. Now I'll get a straight line like this, and I'll get another line like this. Draw like this. Draw like this. And draw like this. Skip. Now simply exit. So let's say this is a school building and we have to find the area. So to simply find the area, you can click here and go to properties, and you will see in properties area here. It is 131.39. So here the scale is 1:1. Let's say I'm drawing a scale of let's say meter. Then the area of this size will be 131 meter square simply. So polyline is especially used to find area. Now in electrical drawing, you can use polyline when drawing path that curves and continues. You want to fill areas like busbars or grounding zones, or you need to adjust all segments at once. Always check whether your shape is better as a single object or separate line, and use according to your intuition. So that's a wrap for day 7. You can download your assignment below from the link below and practice all the commands. So like this video if you learned something new, drop your question and subscribe to follow along.